Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and where am I at? Well, I'm at the Las Vegas SEMA show. That's right, I'm at the biggest automotive accessory show in the world, and I'm here for you. That's right, I'm here to show you all this great new products that's coming out from Real Truck, because I am at the Real Truck booth here. And I tell you that we got this nice GMC Canyon here, and I tell you I've done quite a few things to this truck here. So let's go over a few things they've done. Well, they got the Elevate system on here, and it's set at the lower setting, but this does have 3 different settings depending on the height you need, and they do have the new cargo, basically your safari basket to go with your Elevate system. And I tell you, this is a great way if you're doing any overlanding and you need to put stuff up there, you have that extra space. Now, this also has the Revolver X4TS. Now, if you're not familiar with the TS, it's the newest one that came out that has the T-slots. That's right, the T-slots let you put on these racks. Without that T-slot, you can't do all this stuff up here. So let's go ahead and open this up, and let's take a really good look on how everything works. Now, what I like about the Revolver, it really does a great job. It has this nice little rubber piece here, and that's for your hand, so if things get a little hot from the sun, this won't bother your hand at all. But one thing you'll notice is how easy it is to open and close. It does clear your rack system here by Truxedo. And if you look inside the bed, you'll also see they have a nice little bed rug here, and it has your undercover swing cases. And I tell you, I love these things. They're super great to have. And again, you can put your jumper cables in here. You can put all your cleaning supplies in here. It fits in here so well. And it's using a space in the bed that's really a dead space. It's not really being utilized. And now you've probably seen some of my previous videos. I've actually used these as coolers. I've gone camping, I put some sodas in there, some ice and some beer. And what's nice is when the ice will melt, you just take this thing off and you can literally dump it all out. Super easy to do. I tell you, I like everything they picked up for this vehicle here. I mean, between the cover, the racks, the safari basket, the toolboxes here, and the bed rug here, you really can't go wrong with this setup here. Now, if you look real closely in the bed rug, take a look how this is pre-cut for the bed here. I know a lot of times you see rubber mats, they throw them on there, and they're just flat, but this actually goes into the groove, and this is a nice little padding. But another nice feature about having this, besides protecting your bed over time, if you have to get in there, your knees will really appreciate this bed rug, because I have been in the back of these trucks installing all this stuff, and I tell you, I'm so happy when my customer buys a bed rug, because my knees really appreciate that. So it doesn't just look good, it really feels good. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, I don't want to put this in there, that's carpet. It feels like carpet, it looks like carpet. It's actually a synthetic plastic. What does that mean? It's the same stuff you use on boats. That's right, you don't have to worry about mildew or anything like that. They use on life preservers and stuff like that. This can get wet, so you do not have to worry about it. If you left your cover open, you're driving home and it starts raining, this can get wet. So all this stuff is designed for the outdoors, so you don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Again, with these swing cases, they seal up really nice here. I tell you, and if you look here, that nice little seal in there. So they do a good job at keeping Mother Nature out. Now, one thing I always like to tell my customers, like on the covers and stuff, none of these things are 100% waterproof. You know, you have to be a little realistic about that. But these do a pretty good job of keeping, the bulk of the water out, if not all of it. So again, take a look how easy it is. Let me go ahead and close this up for you. And even with the racks there, as you can see, really no extra effort to close it. Everything works good, looks good. Now, all the products I'm showing you right now, you can purchase from C&H Auto Accessories. I'll have a link at the bottom of this YouTube video on the cover, the bed rug, the swing cases, the Elevate system, the new, well, this might not be out yet. This is actually a new product, but once it's available, I'll put a link onto the website as well. Again, I'm Chris, and I'm with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm coming from the SEMA show in Las Vegas at the Real Truck booth. And before I go, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. Thank you.